Today I will be unboxing the Mova V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop. This is a present for my mother-in-law. Brand new in the box. If you're familiar with the channel at all, you know that I got this at MacBid because of the yellow sticker. Normally $798. I got it for just under $400. So a pretty good deal. Whoops. All right, that's what the box looks like. Then over on the top, okay, I apologize for the camera action, but this is too big to unbox where I normally do my videos, so I had to do this in the kitchen. So please forgive the bad video lighting and audio quality. But let's get to the unboxing. All right, as always, you cut away from me. Okay, inside the box, let's scoot this over a little bit. Okay, inside the box, looks like this is all your accessories. Let's check this out right quick. Get the double rubberized roller, the brushes, multiple mop heads, not too bad, bags for the vacuum, looks like this is a pet odor solution if you had pets, and then a whole jug of multi-surface cleaner. Not too shabby. And filters. Not too shabby. What's in here? More power cable. There is your actual robot, all your books and stuff. Normally I throw these, but since this is my mother-in-law's, I will not. Let's look at the actual robot itself. Very nice. And the very last thing must be the base station. Got the titanium look to it right here. Otherwise it's white. It'll match where we're going to set it up at very nicely. So, I'm gonna go to her house and install this. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video for the Mova V50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum Cleaner.